Compression stroke. Compression stroke top dead center. Okay, what we gotta do first.
What'd you say?
Nothing, I was just talking on the radio here. We take this fan cover off of here. There he is. That sucks air in, up, and out. Not exactly sure what it's supplying. What's the cover called? What's that cover?
What cover?
The cover I just took off. What's this fan? What's this fan for?
Show it to me.
What?
Show me what you just took off. Because one of them is a fan cover and one of them is a fan impeller.
This here.
That's a fan impeller.
Yeah. This is the cover, the outside.
That's the cover, that's the impeller.
Right. I'm not sure what it does.
I don't know. Probably protects it from... I don't know.
I'm not sure. It's not a heat. It's not sending any heat. It's just sucking it in and sucking it out. So I got no idea what that's even for. All right. So what am I doing with that?
You took off the fan cover and the fan impeller?
Yep. Fan cover's off.
And the fan impeller?
Yep. Oh, I got to take the impeller off too?
Yes. Remove fan cover.
Okay.
And fan impeller.
Oh. I got to pull that off too. Great. Okay, after I've done that, what am I doing?
After you do that, you're going to remove the cap on the left crankcase covers.
On the left crankcase cover. Cap.
It isn't? Wow.
Okay.
I know you did. See, that's how come I bought you those things for the Legos yesterday.
Let's
Because you helped me.
spray that out.
Well, don't worry about it. We just can't, we can't worry about it, Josette. Just please do what I ask you to. I'll just take one of you and listen in.
Oh, wait a minute.
Water in your face? Yeah, Well, just,
Okay, I got the
let me
little caps. Okay, man, that's all I need is little screws. Let me right socket for the.
Mama might take a walk with you.
Those are original screws on that are. I just do that. Hold on. Okay. Those cover screws. Cover screws right now I'm using a 5/16. These ones here are 5/16. Appear to come right out. Let's see, longer and different. Okay. And one more. Hopefully that cover will come out. Or the little squirrel cage will come out. Alright, there we are. So that's off of there now. I'm just going to put those in this one. Okay. And clean that up a little bit. Where's my wire brush? And find the wire brush. Okay.
Okay, so you got the fan cover, the fan impeller, and the crankcase covers off.
Crank case.
Remove the cap on the left crankcase covers. If you got that off,
Crankcase cover. Let me see what else is showing here.
there's this right here.
Yep.
And it's right here.
Okay.
Is that what you just took off?
Okay.
Looks like what you just took off would be this.
Okay.
So the cover is going to be right there.
Okay.
The cap on the crankcase cover is going to be right there.
Okay, crankcase. Crankcase. Okay.
Yeah, this is what you just took off, because if you turn this picture sideways,
Yeah.
it's that same little...
So I took the fan, I took the little fan thing off. Now I'm at this point here.
You took the fan cover and the fan impeller off, right?
Yeah.
You got two pieces, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now you're supposed to take the cap
Okay.
on the left crankcase cover off.
Got it. Okay. The cap. Got it.
Cap.
Okay, got it. Okay, so there's your cap. I need a large
You've got to go.
screwdriver. Large screwdriver. Large screwdriver. Okay.
Hello.
Da, 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 da. Okay. Myself, I'm getting muddy. All right. Okay, let me spray that. Oh my god. Okay. Time out. Okay, so his next step was to pull the cap out of here. And I think that lines you up with your top DDC.
Nope, then you gotta remove the 2-valve adjusting lid.
Okay, the 2-valve
You
adjusting.
gotta take the cap off first.
Okay, all right, now.
Remember the cap is right here?
Got it, pull them. Pull that. Oh, wait.
Remember the cap is right here?
The little cap, yeah, I pulled the cap.
Okay,
Now
so
what do
now
I do?
you gotta take the 2-valve adjusting lid off. It's right here.
Those are on top, I've already done that.
You took this off?
Yep, I did that last night. This is what she's talking about. 2 adjusting valve caps right there. Okay.
The lid.
Yep, the lids, yep.
So the 2-valve adjusting lid is off
Yep.
already?
Yeah, I did that last night, I said. I know that part. I just
Okay,
don't know.
rotate the crank,
Okay.
make the magna, M-A-G-N-E,
Yeah.
to flywheel, top dead center, hatcher, H-A-C-H-U-R-E,
Right.
to aim at the triangle mark of the left crankcase.
Okay, so where we're at now? Okay, we got something here. Okay, so I already pulled that. So there's something going on. There's something on. Let's see. There's something on that. There must be something on that valve there, or thing here.
Well, it looks like this is the picture.
Okay, but I'm not seeing anything.
Come here.
Uh-huh.
This is the picture.
Okay.
Rotate the crankcase to make the flywheel top dead center. Aim at the triangle mark. See, there's the triangle mark.
Yeah, but I'm not seeing that on the thing there.
Left of the crankcase.
Okay.
So you're gonna... That's what you're looking for. Is this right here?
Yeah.
And you're gonna make it do this.
This is the plastic. This is the plastic piece.
Rotate the crank.
Yeah.
Make the
Which-
magnet to flywheel's top dead center hatcher to aim at the triangle mark
Okay.
of the left crankcase.
Okay. Okay, I'm not seeing any. Oh man, is that a triangle? Okay, that is a triangle, right? Okay, so let's see.
It's top dead center, that triangle should be.
Yeah. I'm not seeing anything on the. I'm not seeing anything on that little on the wheel though. This is my. Then I'll put. Not seeing any. Not seeing any marks on that flywheel.
Well, maybe there aren't really blocks on it. Maybe that's just part of the picture.
Yeah. Okay, so I've cleaned that up. I need to get a. I definitely need to get a socket big enough so that'll go on there.
Can you put the light down there so I can see it?
Here, too.
Okay, see, there's the triangle right up there.
Yeah, I see the triangle. So,
and
so I'm cleaning that up.
I think that's the thing right there. That one over there.
Which one?
I think that one is.
Let's see. Is there a mark on it?
It looks like it's got a diamond on it. A triangle.
Okay, let me go.
See it? Because look.
Let me see it go down.
See this here?
Yep. Why don't I just do the clean it up? Clean it up a little bit more. There might be a little divot on the outside of that as well.
I can't tell now. I don't know.
Yeah, I know. I see that one. I'm trying to figure out what it is, because this is the crank. So I'm hoping there's a little divot on the outside of this one. I don't seem to see it unless I'm looking at it on the
It
thing.
looks like whatever this is, it's in the middle of that bolt.
Okay. Oh, there's a mark on the inside of the bolt?
Well, come here.
Okay, wait a minute. I'm looking at it too bright, maybe. I'll tap up. Where are you? Huh. Ain't that something? I can't seem to. I'll clean it. Hit it one more time with the wheel here. The only other way is the.
What is the magna? M-A-G-N-E.
The magnetic something, I can't remember. Magnetic that's on the other side and it rotates around, and that's actually a generator. It supplies current. For the other engine side now. Okay, I still need to get the socket on that thing so I can rotate the cylinder, which is good. All right. So,
don't do that because you might surprise them snakes, or they might surprise you.
I don't know. I've not seen them in a while, but I think she might be. What is she, noticing them or something?
Well, I don't know. She was over there sniffing around.
That's a 17. I think it's a 3.
I hate my helper to
Let's
get
go
down
off
her nose.
3. Ah, yeah, I know. And this 3/4.
Okay, well, honey.
Yeah, babe.
I'm gonna read this to you.
Okay.
Step by step of this sentence.
Okay.
It says to rotate the crank.
Yep.
Then it says make
Okay,
the
there.
magnet to flywheel top dead center catcher to aim at the triangle.
Okay.
You gotta rotate the crank to do that.
Yeah, that's what that socket is for. Okay, so I actually
And it
got a
looks
decent.
like
I need a
I hope not, because it looks like, based
11
on what you're looking at and what I'm looking at,
11/16.
something's missing.
11/16s. And a 6 point.